Hello, my friend. I am going to make a natural remedy for sore throat or cough. This is chopped red onions. It's about 1.5 cups. And this is honey. I am using Manuka honey. And a jar. I have a canning panel. Make it easy to put in the jar, in a small jar. So what I need to do is of course, I chopped the onions already. I just put onions enough to cover the bottom of the jar. Maybe 2 tablespoons. You should use. And I add a tablespoon of honey, just to drizzle on top of the onion. And I will add more onions. If you want more sweet taste to it, you can put two tablespoons, and then you set this aside. Maybe in 2 hours later, the honey became like syrup, a clear syrup, and then you can start drinking. Like whenever you have a sore throat or you start coughing, then you drink like a tablespoon. Manuka honey is a little bit expensive, but is the claim is healthier. It's expensive because it came from New Zealand, Australia. This I wanna top up with 2 tablespoons. And you just set this aside. In 2 hours later, what you can see is a clear syrup inside the jar. The honey will separate from it. It's not look like honey anymore, just look like a clear syrup. Will separate from the onion, and then you can drink twice a day. I mean, as for me, whenever I have scratchy throat or start coughing, I take like a tablespoon, and then it lasts for about 4 to 6 hours before I cough again. So this is how I make my natural remedy for cough or sore throat. So you should try it. I don't like drugs or taking drugs. I like the natural medicine from the plant. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Hello friends. This is the onion that I soaked with honey after leaving in the refrigerator for overnight. The honey became a syrup. As you can see. See, that became a syrup. It's not honey anymore. So this is what you drink when you have a sore throat or when you start coughing. And it is sweet and it smells good, smells like onion. So try it. If you you can keep this in the refrigerator as long as you want, whenever you need it and you have it ready. So I hope you try it and let me know if it helped for you, because it's absolutely helping for me when I have the coughing issue. So try it and let's see if it will work for you too. Thank you for watching.